Are you using Fulfilled by Partner to sell your products on Noon? If you're using this selling model, here are packaging guidelines to help you deliver your products safely to customers. All items packed in Noon provided packages must be sealed without any gaps or openings, along with the tamper-proof sealant provided with the package. Pack the item with the correct brand, color, size, model, and barcode, and make sure that it's sealed and brand new. Apply the QR code that's provided by Noon to the package on the designated area. And if your QR code or package gets lost or damaged, you can easily reprint one on the Seller Lab portal. Do you have an item that doesn't fit into a Noon box? These types of items are classified as non-sort or bulky items based on their size. In order to package it properly, you'll need to shrink or bubble wrap the item and then place a QR code on the surface. And if you're packing fragile items, use the fragile or liquid label where and when needed based on the particular item that you're packing. All fragile items like dinner sets, glassware, and mirrors should have strong primary packaging and should always be shrink wrapped just in case it's not strong enough. While you're managing your orders on the Direct Ship app, you may be asked to take a picture of the item. Please make sure to take a picture of the item in its original packaging before you put it in the Noon box or bag. Let's go over packaging guidelines for electronics. Step 1, make sure to complete a 6-sided quality check to ensure that the product isn't damaged. Step 2, you need to select the smallest poly bag that the item can fit into and still be sealed. Step 3, place the item inside the bag. And step 4, peel off the adhesive liner to seal the package and place the shipment label on the designated area. Packaging guidelines for home decor involving multiple items. Step 1, conduct a quality check on all sides of the item, that's usually 6 sides, to ensure that it isn't damaged or in any way dirty. Step 2, select a box closest to the sides of the item that can still be sealed when the item is inside. Step 3, wrap the items in bubble wrap and place them inside the box. The bubble wrap can be used as a filler if required. And step 4, close the box, seal it with tape, and then stick the shipment label on the surface. Packaging guidelines for kitchenware. Step 1, complete a quality 6-sided check to ensure that the item isn't damaged. Step 2, select a box closest to the size of the item. Step 3, cover the base of the box with a layer of bubble wrap. And step 4, place the item on top, then cover with another layer of bubble wrap to secure it in place. And step 5, close the box, seal it with tape, and then stick the shipment label on. Packaging guidelines for non-sort bulky items that are fragile. Step 1, secure the product with bubble wrap, covering all edges of the item. Step 2, use clear tape to lock the bubble wrap in place. And step 3, cover the entire surface with 2 layers of shrink wrap and stick the fragile label on the surface. Non-sort packaging guidelines for bulky, regular items. Step 1, place the item on a layer of cling film. Step 2, turn the item on the film's surface, making sure it clings onto the item securely. Step 3, rotate and repeat on all sides. Step 4, cut the film after wrapping the item in 2 layers. And step 5, place clear tape all around the edges. Packaging guidelines for fashion items. Step 1, complete a 6-sided quality check to ensure that the item isn't damaged on any side. Step 2, select the smallest P-series poly bag or in the Noon box that your item can fit into and still be sealed or closed. Step 3, place the item inside the poly bag or the box, depending on the item. Step 4, peel off the adhesive liner and seal the bag if you're using a poly bag, or seal it with tape if you're using a box. And step 5, make sure that the package is properly sealed and paste the shipment label on the designated area on the surface. And that's it. Those are our packaging guidelines. And if you have any more questions, please reach out to our seller team or check out our articles on our Seller Help Center.